Alrighty, welcome guys. Okay, let's open this and let's put the music a little bit downer. Yes. Hello. What is this? Error. YouTube is receiving not enough. Don't care. Okay, today we're gonna do something with the usernames. It needs to receive the email, a confirmation email saying that you really want to proceed, and that's what we're gonna do today. It's fucking raining outside at me here in Romania where I live, this village. So let's go. Okay, that's enough. I'm not going to listen to the song that I put to you guys. But why is this doing? Okay, let me drink some water. Okay, let's go to domains. F3 public ID, because last time we did the ID dot F3. Okay, and let's go to test. I hope it's the right username. Yes, ID 8, level 10, and you can not enough font coins. Yes, this system, I remember I've made it. This system, I think it works. If it doesn't, tell me in the comments. And right now let's go to the email where you have to, if you want to change the email, you can. So where we was at settings, change mail function 1, and yeah, I wanted to make the possibility to send an email, a confirmation email with a code inside. So let's try doing it. Okay, I'm on pro. Okay, everything is good. I thought I wasn't. Okay, the mail functionality first is dollar message. I want message is gonna be slash n. Okay, this one I didn't code it a good system in a while, so still is too loud. Okay, this one should be good. Okay, the music is good. Slash and hey, dollar username, somebody, or maybe it was you, made an email changing request, but don't worry. Oh wait, we have to put these slashes, slash and okay, and oh wait, somebody gave me thanks for those. Okay, and let's go to some friends and tell them that I'm live. Let's take this and I'm going to send to friends. Okay, this time I didn't mess up, so yeah, send to this friend, this one, to 3 friends basically, and have a chat in here. Okay, let's put a chat and let's continue. This is the message. Okay, made an email changing request, but don't worry, /n, don't worry. Hey, username, somebody made an email request, but don't worry, the person change the email, and down will be the email. So where is the generator? Okay, the generator will be here. This is here. Down will be the generator with the code, the number. Okay, and then will be a /n, and oh, now it's excellent connection. Wow. And too loud, I think. Now it's good. Okay. Generator n, and then we'll say okay, hey username, somebody, or maybe it was you, made an email changing request, but don't worry, the person have to insert the below code to change the email. Wasn't you. If it wasn't you, ignore this email and change the password. Okay, I think it's good. This is the message. Then repeat the recipient, which is gonna be the dollar email, which is gonna be Rose address. Dollar email. Okay, recipient dollar email, or maybe not. Then will be header, not header, dollar header, where we're gonna be let's put, I don't remember that much, so what I had to insert in here is, let's say, id at .tk, id at f3f3.tk, and something like that. And then f3 id. Okay, I have to go back and see how an email was made, and yes, basically where it is. Analytics. Okay, here's an analytics. So I don't remember how you could make an email in PHP, so I have to go back into the execute folder, and here is two. So no subject. Oh yeah, message, header, and the mail. So that's how you could make it. But I have to look at the, so to subject, message, header. Okay, got it. Because I didn't make in a while an email in PHP. So settings, mail functionality, and let's go to hashtag email. And first I put this, then dollar title I'm going to put, and will be change the email, changing the email. The email will be, and then will be mail functionality, which will say first was 2, so is $email, which is this one, Rose address. Then it is dollar title, then dollar message, and then the dollar header. Okay, so hope this is good. And email underscore change will do another functionality which will require we need email underscore change .php, and we need to make something in the HD access. So rewrite rule, then this, and then we're gonna put email underscore change email underscore change.php, and now we need to copy this email. Okay, email change, not username, email. Okay, and we'll copy the codes basically, and instead will be just a form which you have to put the code that you receive into the email, so hackers cannot get can't bypass this system. So this is the verification code, which is 10 characters, and then this will be cut down, and yeah, we basically have to put your actual password again, so we can verify that it is actually you, and then the button to change the email. So let's try it. We have here, we need to my email to this test account is test@f3f3.tk, and I want to put it to test one. Okay, I have to put my actual password, and I put it right. Okay, then here will be email change. It doesn't work, but first did it send me the mail with the what I needed, with the infos? Yo, works. Changing the email. It works, but we need to make sure that this is good. Nope, it must be this here, and say F3 ID. Somebody, or maybe it was you, so you have to go there, put the code, put the password again, and after the part 2 will come out and change the email. So changing the email. Okay, we need to do something to the functionality. So let's see in here, something is bad with the email, so we have to do it again. So first we need to go back there and copy those codes, because I don't remember how it was made. I didn't made it. So subject to subject, this is the title, message, and header. Oh, from. Got it. Okay, got it. So let's copy these things, and settings, change email functionality part 1, and header is the no. Oh, that's matter. From, and from here I forgot. Execute. So from, and why you didn't want to copy? Now should it be good? Settings, let's go back to settings. We need to do some styles to the email because the emails looks trash. I have to learn that. How can we do an email? So first, this is the emails from F3 ID at F3 and those codes and the title. So first email, title, message, and then the header, which is this. Now should it work? So let's go back to the email. Okay, let's put test. Let's put test1 and the password. And now let's receive the email. So let's try. Oh yeah, now works. F3 details. F3 sender is this. I can't do anything to test. Hey test. Somebody, or maybe it was you, made an email changing request. But don't worry, the person have to insert the below code to change the email. And this is the code. And now we need to do a form on here so it can verify that it's actually the code. And after there will be a functionality part 2. So it will be another part 2. Because that's how these systems works these days. Oh bruh, just got to something that we didn't need to go. If it wasn't you, ignore this email and change the password. Yes. And changing the password will be the same system. Will receive it to the email, but the username will not be receiving the email, an email or something like that. Okay. So change username functionality. Okay. And now I need to go to, I think I'm going to change the email to change mail change .php, rename it, and let's go to htaccess mail change. Okay, and let's add it to the change email location mail change. Okay, let's try again. Mail change verification code. Okay, now we got into something. And first we need to go to the database and see that it's actually that code and not something generated from the PHP code. We really need to see this. We really need to see this. Oh man, it's raining outside. Remember? And let's see, it's actually the code 877. Okay, it's the same as we need. Email temporary, and after we'll delete that from the database and set to 0, because that's what the system will actually do. And let's see, what can we do? We can not copy, we can just rename and copy this name. New file, and this is part 2. Create part 2, and let's start with the PHP tag, then include section.php. Okay, then let's see, what can we do? Then section, we're gonna start the session because it has to. Then we need to copy these codes. Okay, part 2. Okay, no, we have to copy these 2, so end with this one. Okay, so what the system will actually do, will take from a database the temp the temp email that it's set it to the database, and the email code, verification code that you're receiving from the database into here. This is an actual code. Okay, let's see what can we do. First, email is yes, old email, new email. So we're gonna put rows email temp, and we'll put in here I think it's the same email temp, yes, email temporary. Okay, we need a password. We need the actual password. Nah, we do not. It just, oh yeah, we need the actual pass. We need this because it has to verify the password one more time, because we have to measure to make sure that it's you, actually it's you. So let's start with an if dollar. Let's verify the password first. A password if actual pass is dollar password, then we're gonna do is changing the email, and we want if dollar code it is with, wait, we need to insert this. Dollar code is dollar rows. What I name it? Email change. Okay. And underscore actual code is equal with dollar post. Where is the dollar here? Post. Dollar post. Email change post, or actual underscore email change. And if actual code it is the code from the database, then we'll actually do the action. So my SQLi query $con, and then update member set email address with the new with dollar email temp that it is, where username is dollar username. So this is a pretty much easy system. And we need to do something. We need to delete, after is doing this, to delete from the database the code and the email, the temporary email that it is into the database. So my SQLi $con. Don't worry about this error. We do not have these things, so it's a common error in PHP. Update. No. We need to learn how can we delete it. I think is drop. So I have to test something SQLi. So I want to test like with the policies in here. So we have to drop the value, or we can set the value rather than delete it from the database. We can do like update member set how we thought this called email change. Okay, email change to 0 to 0 where username name is dollar username. We need to put another these things because we need to delete from the database another things is the email temporary, the temporary email. So it's 0, it's 0, and we need to do another thing. Else if actual code is not code, then we want to header to an error, custom error. So I'm going to do this later, and we need to do another thing. The thing is, we need to add it in here. If we need to do a security, because if it's 0 into the database, if it's 0 or it's nothing, then we'll header that if dollar code is 0 or dollar code is nothing, then we'll header. So I'm going to do that later. Else come on, else if code is not 0. Wait, I forgot to add one thing here. Okay, so two of these is like, it is like that. If it's 3, it is the same but with something changed about. That's how PHP work. Things like it's like a grandpa. Oh, bruh. Okay, we need to add the codes into these brackets. And I think we did it. We did the protection, because we need to have a lot of protection with these ifs. Okay, else if actual code is not code, we have to redirect. If code is this, if it's 0, we'll header to a location. Location, come on, location. Okay, slash settings slash the mail underscore change question mark error is you do not have a mail change request and We're gonna add the email, the temporary email. It is with 0 because will be zeros into the database. Will be set to 0. The temporary. We have to change the execute file, because yeah, because it has to add it, or $temp. It is with nothing, because I think it would be nothing, but if it is 0 or nothing, then we will do this. Else, if code is not this and is not with 0 or email temp is not to nothing, then we'll actually do this. It's like a protection. Sorry for the loud noises, but I can't do anything about this. It's raining outside at me at my house. So yeah, I can't do anything about these things. So yeah, email temp. Okay, and here we'll go to authentication code is wrong. No. I think we'll go wrong authentication code. Wrong authentication code. And I think pretty much this is the system, what we're gonna do with these systems. We have to copy those, yes, because we need to have them. And we have a verification code. Okay, we have to code into this mail change an error messages. So let's do them. If error, okay, if error, oh wait, they have it is, so that's why is this error. Now it isn't change 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 failed, and no, wrong. Yeah, we have to put this wrong password, so we have to do some wrong password, and we'll get another one. This one will be wrong, will be this. You do not have a mail change request, and we'll say wrong authentication code. You do not have a mail change request. Wrong password. Okay, we have everything into here, and hell yeah, dude. Okay, we need to make something into the functional to. Oh wait, we didn't do the if the password is wrong. If the password is wrong, we'll redirect. So else if actual pass is not password, then will redirect. Welcome. Welcome, Robert. What are you doing? I'm just doing the changing the email functionality. Wait. Error is wrong password, and we have to add another thing. Change equal. I think will if I change my wait. I want to try something. If I'm changing my from my database here, where is the email test to 1 will get me the fuck out. Let's say test. Okay. I can do right now. I can do right now if you want, because there are not that many people on the stream. If you want to come right now, because yes. Wait, I want to see. I think they get no, they didn't. They didn't get me the fuck out of this because I don't understand why it didn't fuck me out of the account, because I changed it at the account. Test. Okay, it didn't fuck me out. Oh, did you hear this? Holy fuck. Holy shit, I have to save these files, because if the power cut out, then yes, I can go right now. So I'm going to give me this one. Okay, I'm going on raw voice, and I'm going to stop the music. Okay, let's stop the music. Haydi Roberte. Vi? Okay, when he will come, I'm going to put this back together. Hope my power will not cut out, because I still need to complete this security. Oh fuck me. You guys can hear the oh god, dear lord, please do not make my power to cut out. Please do not do that. I don't want to lose this stream work. Holy shit. Zodiac. There's no Zodiac inside this ID. And I have it 2022. This account is bugged out, but it doesn't matter the infos. We want to add the where you live and email change. Okay. And we need to do something. Bruh, a power. I feel like I will not lose power. Mail change error. Change is failed and oh god. Oh god. Who? Thanks God. Okay. So right. I want to talk with a friend. change is failed and error is wrong password. And here I want to redirect to the home page because I want to put a message which will be this one, and header to change successfully and without any errors. So that's what I'm gonna do. And okay, let's continue. Wait, let's copy the change successfully. Email changed. Okay, we have an email changed, and you do not have a mail change request, and will be an error. Okay, let's do this. Hope this system will work. Test at. Let's find my email. I want test one. Submit. Verification code. And we have to, oh my, that was a fucked up lightning. Oh fuck me. I have to put numbers because will be numbers. Wait, email number. Wrong email. What do you mean by that? Did it change my email? Test one. No. Wait. What? It write it into my database. Nothing. ID settings. Email. What is the problem? Oh, Brian. No. I didn't put part 2. So that's why it didn't do the job. Wait. I want to change my fucking email again. So to test 2, the test 1. Okay. I will get a verification code from my email. And now we'll wait. We'll wait because we are motherfuckers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh wait, 9? Where is 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Verification. Okay. I'll copy these. Change failed. Wrong authentication code. Oh wait, because we didn't name it. We didn't named it. So a number or name will be code. Actual password. So I feel like I will work this time, and I'm going to code now. Well, actual code is code. Email changed. Wait, I wonder if it deleted these things. 0. Okay, so it put it to 0. And wait, if I want to change it again, wait, verification code, let's put it again. Wrong authentication code. The system actually works. If it has any bugs, you guys will suggest me if we need to add something. So we can change our email. Now we need the password. So we need to make the password changing method, because password, we need to change a lot from here. Settings, password. The password will have the same functionality, just the will change the password. And this time, if we change the password, we'll log out. Automatically, we'll log out. And wait, it have to receive a confirmation email. So we have to make, else if code will receive multiple things, and it's actually doing a great stuff. Okay, email. So this here will be the changing email. The name will not, you will not receive a mail while for changing the name, because that would be too much. So title will be the same, and let's put it in here. So title, header, and the mail. Changing the email. Changed mail and changed mail. Changed email. And this time will be going on one to the new email, and second we'll go to the changed. No, I think we should go to the changed email. Yeah, we'll go to the mail. So message, email, hey usernames, somebody, or maybe it was you, changed the email of your F3 ID, but don't worry. If it wasn't you, you still have access to the mail, to the F3 ID, and still have access to the F3 ID, and you can change the mail, change the password. If it was you, ignore this email and okay. Change mail part 1. Hey, I don't know. Okay. It has to send an email to the old email, and the password will be as soon as I'll finish the systems. Okay, let's test. What is my, wait, I'll try to, did it really change? Yes. Address test 1 test, and right now we're gonna put, what did I did? Oh, bruh, what did I did? No. I do not need support from Microsoft. Okay, test. Where's the email? Test at .tk, and I want test 1. Go. Okay. And now I should receive an email with the code. Come on, please. Receive. Yes, here's the email. This time is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. And right now, email changed. Let's see if I receive an email of changed email. I feel like I will get. Yes, changed email. Hey Tess, somebody or maybe it was you changed the email of your F3 ID, but don't worry. Don't worry. If it wasn't you, you still have access to the F3 ID and you can change the password. If it was you, ignore this email. So good. I'm so proud of this system. I've made it in PHP. I'm so fucking proud of it. Oh god, I'm so proud of it. You can change the email. Now we need to do the password one and some style here because we need to do some buttons style. I have something in mind. So should we do the password? The password or should we do these things? Okay, I think at 12 a.m. I'm going to end the stream because I want to still at the password. I want to do not wait. I want to see if wait. I'm going to call him, call a friend, and oh wait. I'm going to put you guys here. At the password, I want to be the same. Oh my god, this would be so cool to change the password. It will be the same system, but with better things. It's so cool. Okay, so now is a good time to share. Oh, this was my friend. It was posted on everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna call a friend so you guys will have this thing. So I'm going to mute myself. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for these things, but let me put back chat and everything. I think I'm going to end the stream here. I don't want to stream anymore. Oh wait, somebody is on my stream here. Wait, I cannot hear you.
Ești live?
Da, îți mai ești live, dar putem vorbi. Deci am zis că în engleză că pot să vorbesc chiar că codez aici și fac.
Pot să zic cuvântul cună?
Încearcă.
Lasă, mai bine nu.
Da, stai că tu ești prea tare pe live și trebuie să te dau la jumate. Gata, hai.
Stai să intru pe ăsta, pe Discord, pe calculator.
Băi, am făcut un sistem de schimbare a parolei. Nu de parole, al mail-ului. Dar știi, primești un cod de 9-10 cifre și trebuie să-l bagi acolo dacă vrei să ți-l schimbi.
Stai așa, intru acum.
Asta trebuie să fac și pentru doamna parolă. Și trebuie să fac acum un email change.
Mă auzi?
Da.
Bun.
Eu cred că voi închide aici stream-uri și da.